Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. With the help of this video, you can easily set up your Rockspace AC1200 Wi-Fi extender device. Even, you can connect your extender to your Wi-Fi network. Let's start the process. Extend your Wi-Fi network using Web UI method. First, plug the Rockspace AC1200 Wi-Fi extender device into a power outlet near the router. Power on the device and wait until the power LED turns solid blue. In the initial setup process, place the extender and router in same room. Now, open your computer or mobile device and find the Wi-Fi network. You found a Wi-Fi network name, Rockspace_EXT. Connect with it. To connect with the Rockspace Extender network, turn off the mobile data first. In the laptop or mobile device, open a web browser. Type 192.168.0.254 IP address in the web address bar and hit enter. Rockspace Wi-Fi Extender login page will be opened. Type the admin password here. You can create your own password if you do not have. After login, a list of Wi-Fi network is available here. You need to select the SSID, which you want to extend. After selecting the Wi-Fi network, you need to type the Wi-Fi password. Please type the same Wi-Fi password of your router. Click on the Extend button. Wait for a moment, now extended successfully page will be appeared on the screen. Setup process is completed for Rockspace AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender. Now, you can change the Rockspace Extender location. The location you will choose must be within the range of router network. Thanks for watching. If you need any technical assistance, then you can reach with the technical experts. They will help you to resolve the issue.